Welcome to 4K Urban Explorer. I started my journey in Las Vegas and drove to San Diego, where we crossed into Mexico on foot through the Otay Mesa port of entry. Now we're in Tijuana. Downtown Tijuana's Zona Río is a modern district, marked by rapid growth and constant development. Construction projects rise along the skyline, shaping the city's future. Zona Río blends business, shopping and culture, but it's also a space where locals gather, stroll and enjoy daily life. Visitors often find something unexpected here, a sense of warmth. Despite its size and pace, Tijuana is a city where people are welcoming, creating an atmosphere that feels alive yet approachable. Join me as I explore the streets of Zona Río in stunning 4K, capturing both the modern pulse and human side of this evolving border city. As we dive into today's journey, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more 4K city explorations from around the world. As I walk the streets of Zona Río, a hub for business, shopping and culture, capturing the everyday atmosphere of Tijuana. Tijuana is filled with friendly people and a vibrant urban vibe that often goes unnoticed. Zona Río, known as the city's financial and cultural heart, is home to shopping centers, business towers, and landmarks like the Tijuana Cultural Center, also called CECET, one of the most important museums in northern Mexico. Downtown Tijuana's Zona Río is a modern district, marked by growth and constant development. Construction projects continue to rise, reshaping the skyline of this vibrant border city. Tijuana is one of the fastest growing cities in Mexico, with a population of nearly 2 million people. It's also one of the most crossed borders in the world, with more than 70 million people passing between the US and Mexico here each year. Zona Río is also well known as a hub for medical tourism. The district is filled with modern clinics, dental offices and hospitals that attract thousands of visitors each year, especially from the United States. Many people travel here for high-quality care at a fraction of the cost, whether it's for dental work, cosmetic procedures, or specialized treatments. This medical presence has helped shape Zona Río into not just a financial and cultural center, but also one of the leading destinations for healthcare in northern Mexico. Beyond its modern face, Tijuana is also famous for its creativity. It's the birthplace of the Caesar salad, created at Caesar's restaurant in the 1920s, and has a thriving art and food scene that draws visitors from around the world. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss what's next. Watch out for the next video, Playas de Tijuana, where the border meets the Pacific Ocean.